I'd like to first person shoot him.
You go. You were shooting.
Charlie, you can right now.
I'm allowed to talk shit on this gun because it's not mine.
Give me a minute. 1 minute.
We're stretching. Rule number.
Yeah, we got some old people over here.
Raise your hand if you're about to have a heat stroke, but you don't care because you like airsoft.
Limber up. No, that's
That's rule number 34.
Maybe.
Only some of you will get that.
No.
Yeah, we're good now.
I put it upside down.
Stand up. They don't stand up on 14.
All right.
Brandon, if you watch that way, I can watch this.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Okay, cool. We'll just let M14 take his shots over here. It's a machine gun! Oh, no, that guy's got. We're good to move up. That guy's got cover. What's up, man?
Hey. We got guys back there, so be careful.
Think we move up? Can you just walk over to the box over there?
Where are they at over there?
I don't know. Brandon, you see him?
Okay.
Far back.
You see that cover right behind the white barrel?
Yeah.
There's one behind them. Behind that one.
Brandon, do you think I can move up to the house?
You might be able to, yeah. All right.
Yeah, watch him.
Where are we going to?
Hey, kid, right here.
Be careful, I'm right behind you.
Do you see him?
I think I got his head. Moving up.
Behind barrels. Behind barrels.
Behind barrels.
Yep. At least one, maybe two, if they revive his teammate.
Yellow and white.
Yeah, yellow and white barrels.
I see him.
Yeah, those barrels right there. Yeah, those yellow and white metal barrels.
I just found a map.
Keep hold of it. Maybe we can find it at the end.
No, it's like it's old.
Oh, okay.
It was like all the way down there.
Yeah, I'm still not getting shot at right now.
Horse squonk.
Alright, here. Watch the metal barrels.
Was there a kid behind him?
Oh, yeah, at least one, maybe two behind there. I need to reload. Watch it.
Yeah.
Do you have medic?
Yeah. What?
Moving up.
Hey, did you get the kid behind the old box?
Moved up to that cover.
I'm out of gas.
Hey, you're good, you're good. Push up, push up.
Thank you. Don't want to forget about it here. I don't know.
Shooting over here, I just can't tell where they're from.
Yeah.
Behind their tower.
One on the left, one on the left. LMG, you see him?
He's out.
Got it? Hit.
One,
be careful, I got shot from over there.
3, 4, 5. You're in.
Please.
Yeah, he's out. He's out. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Okay, guys, right behind this.
Okay. Yeah, they're dead.
Oh yeah, behind my cover.
How many? Just one?
Maybe one more, but there's one more. There's one more, I think.
Should I go up
Behind this close cover, right in front of us.
Should I go up and bang him?
Yeah, do it. I'll follow behind you.
Bang, bang.
Oh shit! Out.
I think we're out. Yeah, we're out.
Game!
Good fucking shit. Good shit, dude.
5 seconds is 5 seconds.
No, I'm gonna be done.
It's a pretty respectable amount of time if you ask me.
Yeah.
Some would even say that's long.
Me screwing up. Do we take all the LMGs and just push that?
I can't hear you.
I don't know. I'm about done running.
He bang me over there.
Which one? Highlighter?
No, the dude does in black. Ponytail, Vector.
Oh.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
What's up? Sure. Hey, hey. We got guys straight ahead.
Far white barricade.
You're moving up? Alright. If you want to move up, I can give you cover and fire. He's moving over to the right.
You moved over to the right barricade?
Yeah.
I might try and go to the wheel first.
He's distracted. He's firing at someone else, so.
I'm gonna move up to the wheel.
Here, move up to what?
I'm gonna move up to the wheel. It's like right in front of me.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, where y'all taking fire from?
We got one at the white barricade right here. Not that one over there, but the one.
Yeah. With the blue?
No, we got two guys on us. The one right before that one.
Okay.
We got one right there. You think you can cover him? Never mind.
Where is he shooting from? Hit. Hey, can one of y'all come revive me real quick?
We're gonna try, yeah. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Alright, how many of them have we gotten?
2, I think, but they keep getting revived, so they have someone camping behind me. With him. Yeah?
You got that pistol?
No.
Should we,
I'm out of ammo.
should we make a... Oh, you want some ammo?
Well, no, in my pistol. Austin, come back here. He's got ammo. Austin's out of ammo. I'm not. I have a speed bugger I can hand him. Are we good?
I'm not sure.
Are you out?
I'm
gonna peek.
I got...
You get me. You just revive me if I get shot.
All right.
We're good. I got spot. I'm gonna move up. Oh shit! All right.
That was nice.